What up? I'm still sick, so I probably still sound like shit. So I wanted to talk a little bit about exiting trades, why I got out of plug, even though it was up 30% on the swing. Things look pretty good. So we all use flow to help us determine when to enter a trade, right, or what's looking good. And you got to also having the discipline to do it the other way around will really pay dividends. As the saying goes, right? Nobody went broke taking profits. but so I got into this trade sometime around here, like just before 10 a.m., right? I guess I'll show really quickly the reason I got in. So I got into this right around here. And the reason why is because just kind of going through some technicals. This looked to me like a bull flag was forming. And then once I saw it break above that blue box, I knew that it was confirmed to be a bull flag. So that combined with that flow that we saw let me know that it was a play that I wanted to hop into to catch that bull flag on the way up. So you see here, look at all these outside the money calls coming in, people really liking it. So I'm in this trade now, right, for momentum. Now, what's important to remember about a stock that's like really green or really red, in this case, we're going to use really green. Flow is like a measure of momentum, so it almost always is going to reflect the price action of the stock if the stock is performing really well. So, for example, if a stock is up a ton, right? Like LCID was up a ton today. And then if we go to how it ended the day, so you see going into the end of the day, how green it is, because the momentum carried up and the stock started going up. But if we look at what's happening with plug toward the end of the day, so you see things look good, things look good. That's why I'm holding it all the way up here till like 11, 11:30, 12. And then toward the end of the day, I'm thinking, am I going to hold this swing or am I going to let this go? So that's when all of a sudden we notice this at about 12:30, a humongous wall of put lead buys. Now, if you look closely, most of these are probably the same buyer, so it's not the end of the world. But you see they started trickling in more, 12:35, 12:40, 12:45, 12:48, 12:50, 12:53. So remember, with the stock that's up, what was it up, like 3.4%? It's really weird to see that kind of put activity coming in, unless there's a fair amount of people that think that it's going to go down. So when I see this, I think to myself, it might be time to cut. Now, I could be wrong. It could go up another 5% tomorrow, but when you see this kind of activity coming in and you're deciding whether to hold or sell, I mean, I'm up 30% of the position. So the question is, why risk it, especially when you're seeing this? Just like you hop in when flow's going your way, you also, got to have the discipline to hop out when it's not. Take 30% run. Could be a worse day, right?